Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT app login issues, ChatGPT not logging in on your iPhone. First, let's head over to our settings and click on General right here. Click on iPhone storage. Let's scroll down and let's find the ChatGPT app from this list. Click on Show All if you don't see it. Click on ChatGPT and we are going to offload the app, so tap on that and click on Offload App again. Once it is done offloading, you should be able to see the reinstall app option, so click on that and wait for a few seconds until it is reinstalled. So doing that clears the cache of ChatGPT and might help in solving the problem. Once it is done, you can go back to ChatGPT and try signing up again and see if that solved your problem. If not, let's go back to settings, go back to the general settings page, scroll down a bit and click on VPN and device management. From here, disconnect to any VPN that you are connected to, and you can also delete saved profiles in here. For example, I have this one. I'm gonna click on this one and click on remove profile and enter your passcode and click on remove. The next step would be to turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to cellular data if you're currently using Wi-Fi. Or if you're currently using cellular data, you can switch to Wi-Fi and turn off your cellular data and see if that works. And you can then go ahead and open ChatGPT and check again if you can now log in. You can click on the sign up option at the top right and make sure that you enter the right information of your account, and you can click on login right here, click on continue, and this window will pop up. Also, continuing with Apple or Google is recommended because it makes it more convenient since it is connected to those profiles of yours, so you can try that if your account is linked to Google or your Apple account. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.